Hello, friend. Good morning, and welcome to my morning muse with Muyiwa Oludaya. Today promises to be great, one where you will have an opportunity to add value to other people around you, beginning with yourself. And maybe I should add value to you first by sharing this muse. All right? Now let's get to it. How often do you find yourself or catch yourself struggling to deliver value at work? How often do you even see your colleagues struggling to produce a result that came very easy to you? This is the focus of my muse today, something you should take time to ponder upon. And here it is. Your work gets easier and you get better by a planned program for personal development. I'll say it again. Your work gets easier and you get better by a planned program for personal development. You see, friend, your planned program for continuous improvement, your planned intentional, deliberate agenda to grow yourself makes you do your work very easily. You see, don't pray that your work gets easier. You should rather work to become better, because when you become better, your work gets done easier. You go ahead and have a great day doing an easy work.